Hey, are you thinking about moving to Kansas City and possibly want to see what luxury living looks like in Kansas City? Well, I'm going to take you on a tour, a personal tour of a $4.5 million house right here in Kansas City. And let's check it out right now. All right, we are headed to the beautiful city of Loch Lloyd. Loch Lloyd is an absolutely amazing area. It's home to a couple of celebrities in the Kansas City area. People like Tom Watson call this home. Many other celebrities. Also, arguably the best quarterback in the NFL, Patrick Mahomes, calls this Loch Lloyd home as well too. But Loch Lloyd is an amazing area. It sits in the Missouri side, right between Kansas City and Leawood, Kansas. It is a prestige neighborhood, and it's also a gated neighborhood. As you can see, as we're about to approach going inside here, you'll see we have to go through the gate, and it has its own lake, etc. But there's tons of amenities in Loch Lloyd, and like lakes, etc. But you'll see for yourself. Tell me what you think about this home, as today is all about luxury in Kansas City, showing you what over a $4 million home here in Kansas City, what that looks like. And so you can kind of get a taste of luxury living right here in Kansas City. Let's check this out. All right, so we are here at the property, and when I say this one is a doozy, this one's a doozy. We're talking over 7,000 square feet of awesomeness right off the lake. Beautiful amenities throughout. This house is currently listed by my team lead, Kristen Malfer, and the home is right off of the lake, has been completely remodeled. And this one, we have an open house right now going on. Take a look at this beautiful entryway. Hey, we at this very beautiful $4.5 million house located right here in Loch Lloyd in Kansas City area. And this one is a doozy. We're talking over 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, over 7,000 square feet. You can see it. You look at the beauty of this home, absolutely amazing. Guys, my name is Bilal, and you may recognize me from reality TV. And if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Kansas City, then what you want to do is subscribe, tap that bell for notifications so you'll be the first to learn about everything there is to know about living right here in Kansas City. In today's vlog, what we're going to do is we're going to show you a masterpiece. And yes, I'm calling this one a masterpiece. This is a gorgeous home listed right now, 4.5, has been completely remodeled from top to bottom. Matter of fact, let's just go check it out. It is a burning hot day right now here in Kansas City, but I had to take you outside so you can see this beautiful, gorgeous setting. Private pool. You have putting green right over here, and you have all this beautiful lake. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Okay, it's a hot day, but just for you guys, you see I'm sweating, but just for you, I wanted to show you guys outside, and so you can see the beauty of this home. You have this beautiful pool side. This pool right here is absolutely stunning. You have a pool, I gotta give you guys a nice visual of this beautiful lake here. But you have this nice lake right outside here, and it's literally right outside of your backyard. So absolutely stunning. And if it wasn't 120 degrees outside right now, I'm sure a lot of people will be outside enjoying this beautiful, serene view. You have your putting green, so if you're a golfer, make sure you do that. Needless to say, there's also a golf course located right here in Loch Lloyd. We're just a couple of stone throws away from that area. But you also have every area has your own deck area, patio. Right outside your primary bedroom to a lot of again, every bedroom has a view of the lake as well too. And it's just absolutely stunning, and it's peaceful, and it's so nice and serene out here. So take a look at this backyard. Now take a look at this primary bedroom. Absolutely stunning, very large, upscale. If you look at the details of all the lighting, etc., right off of the lake as well too. But take a look at this beautifully primary bathroom. Take a look at it. Look how large this shower bathroom is. I'm talking about, you can probably easily fit an entire family. I'm talking about a family of 15. How large it is inside. I don't think I've ever seen a shower this large. We have our tub inside, we have his and her side. We got not just his and hers, but we got the entire family side. That's how massive this bathroom is from the shower standpoint. And we also obviously have our his and hers countertops. And take a look at this beautiful design closet. Come with me. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, my wife will kill for a closet like this. We're talking about a customized closet, impeccable taste, some of the finest details from the chandelier, the gold accents, and you also have right over here, you have your washer and dryer hookup, so you don't even have to leave your closet to go wash your clothes. Beautifully mirror right here, because hey, everybody got to know what they look like, and it's absolutely beautiful. And you also have your window. It gives you privacy, but also gives you a lot of lighting in it as well too. This is a dream closet, needless to say, and absolutely stunning. So we're sitting 5 bedrooms, over five and a half baths in this massive home. We're talking over 7,000 square feet. This, I told you, is a doozy. Every single bedroom, every single room is meticulously has details all throughout this beautiful home. This house again was renovated newly, so it almost looked like it was like completely built from the ground up. Kristen and her husband, they did an absolutely fantastic job on this home. Absolutely meticulous, very beautiful. Every single bedroom has a view of the lake. Like, take a look at this view. What did you think? Did you like it? Did you love it? Or is it something that you think you might want to buy? Well, this is what it's like to live in Loch Lloyd here in the Kansas City area, right south side of Kansas City. We're really close, near to Kansas, also near Belton. But this is a city, Loch Lloyd, beautifully serene. You have golf courses, you have pickleball, you have pools, you have tennis courts, you got the lake, you got it all right here in Loch Lloyd. Hey guys, appreciate you watching this video. And as always, if you're looking to move to Kansas City area, no matter what price point it is, feel free to, main thing is reach out to me, whether it's 10 days from now or 100 days from now you're looking to move. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, and I'll be happy to help you make that smooth move right here to Kansas City. And folks, as always, I look forward to seeing you and showing you around town. Until then, folks, I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.